The user guide with the assessment tool that Nature created for the recommendations for providing quality sexually transmitted diseases clinical services can be accessed on Nature's webpage at the link on the screen. The assessment tool helps local health departments and other healthcare providers determine which of the recommendations they currently meet and identify any gaps in service provision. The user guide walks local health departments and other healthcare providers through the process of reviewing their assessment results, determining which recommendations they don't currently meet, and considering whether and which services to add. The recommendations are broken down into 7 categories: sexual history and physical examination, prevention, screening, partner services, evaluation of STD-related conditions, laboratory, and treatment. All of the recommendations are included and categorized in the assessment tool. For example, you can see that all of the screening recommendations listed in box 3 are also listed on the screening sheet in the assessment tool. The assessment tool also includes an assessment summary sheet. As you take the assessment, this sheet will auto-populate with your responses. More information on the assessment summary sheet is available in the Using the Assessment Summary Sheet video available on NACCHO's YouTube page. When you open the assessment tool, you'll see a yellow bar underneath the Excel toolbar with a button that says Enable Content. Press this button to begin using the assessment tool. Before getting started, you'll need to check your version of Excel. If you are using an earlier version than Excel 2013, such as Excel 2010, 2007, or 2003, you'll need to install a free Microsoft feature. If you do not know what version of Excel you have, you can click the File button in the top left corner. If you have an older version of Excel, you may have a Microsoft Office icon instead of a File button. If you do not have either of these buttons, look for Help in the toolbar at the very top of the window. If you use the File button, you will now look for a button that says Account or Help. Next, you will click the button that says About Excel or About Microsoft Excel. You will then look to the top of the box that pops up to see your version of Excel. If you click the Microsoft Office icon, you will look for a button that says Excel Options. Then you will click the Resources button, followed by the About button. If you click the Help button, you will then click the About Microsoft Excel button. If you are using a version earlier than Excel 2013, follow the link on the screen to install the latest Power Query. For more information on how to use the assessment tool, watch our next video in this series, Taking the Assessment.